In this video, I'll show you the top 5 vitamin D supplements on Amazon. All the products I mention are highly rated, trusted by thousands of customers, and you can find the links in the description if you want to try some out. At number 5, we have Bronson Vitamin K2 with D3. This formula provides 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 and 90 micrograms vitamin K2 in each capsule, giving you a balanced 2-in-1 support system. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium, while vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is sent to your bones and not your arteries, which is key for both bone and heart health. Bronson has been around since 1960 and is known for strict quality control. This supplement is non-GMO, gluten-free, and soy-free, making it suitable for a wide range of diets. With over 35,000 reviews, customers say it's easy to take, effective for maintaining strong bones, and provides great value for the price. At number 4 is Dr. Berg's Maximum Strength D3 and K2 supplement. What sets it apart is its complete blend. Each capsule gives you 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 and 50 micrograms of vitamin K2, plus important cofactors like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B6. These additions help your body absorb and use vitamin D more effectively, making the supplement more powerful than D3 alone. It's lab-tested 4 different ways to ensure purity and safety, so you know you're getting a clean formula. With over 20,000 reviews, users report better energy, improved immunity, stronger bones, and even clearer skin and nails. If you're looking for a premium supplement that goes beyond the basics, Dr. Berg's formula is a great choice. At number 3, we have Nature-Made Vitamin D3, one of the most trusted names in supplements. Each soft gel provides 2,000 IU of vitamin D3, which supports bone and teeth strength, muscle function, and immune health. Nature-Made is USP verified, which means it has passed strict quality checks for purity and potency, and it's pharmacist recommended. Customers love that the soft gels are small, easy to swallow, and free from artificial colors or flavors. With more than 30,000 reviews and an impressive 4.8-star rating, people say it's reliable, affordable, and perfect for daily use. For anyone looking for a straightforward mid-dose vitamin D3 option, this one is hard to beat. In second place is NatureWise Vitamin D3, one of the best-selling vitamin D products on Amazon, with over 183,000 reviews. Each mini soft gel delivers 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 and is combined with organic cold-pressed olive oil to boost absorption. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and certified by NSF, meaning the contents match exactly what's on the label. Customers love the convenience since one bottle provides a year's supply, making it cost-effective and easy to stick with. Many reviews mention improved mood, higher energy, stronger nails, and better bone health. If you want a trusted, high-dose vitamin D supplement at an affordable price, NatureWise has proven itself as a top choice. Finally, at number 1, we have Sports Research Vitamin D3 plus K2 with coconut MCT oil. This vegan-certified supplement combines 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 from lichen with 100 micrograms of vitamin K2 from chickpeas. The addition of coconut MCT oil enhances absorption, and the UV-coated shell helps protect the ingredients. This combination not only boosts bone strength, but also supports heart health by ensuring calcium is distributed where it belongs. With over 48,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, customers consistently praise it for improving vitamin D levels, boosting energy, reducing muscle cramps, and even aiding sleep quality. If you're looking for a high-quality plant-based formula with proven results, this supplement tops the list. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 vitamin D supplements on Amazon. If you'd like to purchase any of these, the links are in the description.